What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be like a vlog style video. What I'm going to be doing in this video is we're going to be discussing exactly how much I made last year with affiliate marketing. You can see obviously from the title how much that was. I believe it was like $6,570.25 with affiliate marketing alone. And I basically want to break down exactly how I did it, what the plans are for this year. Got my little one running in over there. And yeah, I just basically want to break it all down so maybe you can implement some of those techniques and strategies into your life and your business and potentially scale up and make some money with affiliate marketing as well. Okay, now I know it's not like a crazy number like what you see online. Believe you me, this is completely honest, and that's the difference, you know, with a lot of people will fake it and tell you some lies. So this is genuine. This is exactly how I did it. You know, this year is going to be way bigger for affiliate marketing. And don't forget, you know, I was running other businesses as well, so I was making an income from that. I still work a job as well. So, you know, I did make quite a bit of money last year. But specifically with affiliate marketing and through the strategies that I'm going to be explaining in a second, I made that $6,000 odd, okay? And that's not obviously including any AdSense earnings or anything like that as well, okay? So what we're going to do, and that's not AdSense on my YouTube channel, by the way, that's on my websites. Anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to head out into the car because we're out today. We're going to take a nice little walk. And yeah, when I get into that car, I'm going to break it all down to you. So I'll see you there. So here we are back in the car. I'm actually driving. My partner's recording me. And I just wanted to have a one-on-one today and just talk about exactly how, you know, I made that income last year and what my projections are for this year. So what we'll start off with is exactly how I made the money in the first place. So one of the techniques, if you've been following my channel, is you know that I build niche websites. So what that is essentially building up a website, bringing it to the top of Google for a particular search, and you do it for several different topics on several different articles across your website, of where when people search for something on Google, they find your website, and then you refer them over to an affiliate program, whether it be like Amazon or Clickbank, whatever it may be, you refer them over to the product, and when they make the purchase, you make a commission on the sale. Now, if you're doing this in high volume amounts and you're bringing quite a lot of people to your website, this can equate to quite a bit of money. Now, the reason why, what I wanted to focus on inside of this video is I wanted to talk about what part of the year I particularly made that money. Now, that money was made in the last 6 months of the year in particular. And the reason why is because with SEO, which is essentially search engine optimization, it takes time to build up that traffic and that momentum on a website. So for example, if you were to build a website today, it might take 6 months or a year before you even see any return on your investment. That's my son coughing in the back. But yeah, so it could take up to, like, say for example, maybe 6 months before you even see like 10, 20 people a day on your site. So one thing I would say to anyone who's starting out is don't give up hope, but definitely, like, this is a really passive way of making an income online. And what's good about a website is once you've built up some authority with your website, Google starts to trust your site. And at the beginning, where it can take like 6 months for one of your posts to show up in the top 10 rankings on Google, after you've gained that authority, well, you can start to post and immediately show up within the space of 24 hours, maybe ranging to like 3 months, you know? So it still does vary depending on the kind of topic that you're targeting and the kind of keyword that you're trying to essentially rank for, but it can become quite a good passive business model. Now, that was where I made a good $2,000, I think it's maybe just under $3,000 last year, and that was particularly with an Amazon affiliate website. Many of you may know, obviously, from watching my channel, that I do have several websites. One of them being where I made all of this income was a dog website. Now, that site currently makes about $500 to $700 per month, and that's only going to scale over the course of 2020. Now, where my goal is to actually make money with with affiliate marketing over the course of 2020, I'm shooting for either $10,000 per month or $100,000 by the end of the year. Now, I believe I can acquire that amount of money through affiliate marketing, and it's not going to be specifically via the affiliate model. What it's going to be through is actually selling one of these businesses. At the end of the year, if I can scale this business to roughly about $3,000 per month, I should essentially be able to sell that from anywhere between 90 to 100,000 pounds or dollars at the end of the year. Even if you don't make money within the first 6 months, what happens is, once you build up that authority and trust, you can start to post and make money on a consistent basis. And when you get to the stage where I'm at currently, it's very easy to scale this kind of business because the site has already built up somewhat authority on the internet. And then now I just hire writers. So I use all of the income that's generated from the site to then reinvest into writers to scale the income of the site. So the way I do that is by hiring writers across different freelance platforms such as Freelancer, Upwork, and iWriter. And then those writers write the content for me, so it allows me to really double down on the amount of content that I'm producing. And then that way I can scale because I'm still doing all of the technical side of things, the SEO, so I'm still analyzing what keywords and whatever, so be it. And then I'm able to push out at scale mass amounts of content. So basically, the other way is Clickbank, as I mentioned. That's a very small site that I'm generating income from on that. And I will be focusing more on Clickbank over the course of 2020. Now, the other area where I'm making quite a bit of money is essentially through YouTube, through people just like you watching this video. So how I make money with that is by sharing links inside of my description to a course that I believe is a very good course on learning how to do all of this that I've learned. Okay, so if you wanted to learn about affiliate marketing, then the course that I recommend is the Savage Affiliates by Franklin Hatchett. So that's a course that I took around a year ago, and it completely changed everything for me because I was trying to make money with affiliate marketing for quite some time, and it just didn't work out. For the first year or so, I didn't really make any money with affiliate marketing, and the only way I was making any kind of income was through selling logos on Fiverr. You can see videos on that on this channel. So when I started making that income, and the course, obviously after buying, like I think I've spent like about 5,000 plus on courses, I figured that this course was really good and the information was really helpful, and it covered a vast majority of methods and techniques. So when I started getting results with that, I started sharing it on this YouTube channel. And when I share those results, people want to know how, and obviously it allows them to cut their learning curve because they don't have to go and waste money on pointless courses with pointless information, because I've already done all the testing for them and they know that it works. So that's another way. Now, YouTube, over the course of 2020, my YouTube channel is growing quite rapidly at this point for the size of the channel, and that is going to be a very good income source for me through affiliate marketing. One of the other ways that I do make money with affiliate marketing on the YouTube channel as well is through a tool called Key Search. So that's a keyword research tool that I use to research the information or topics that I'll be targeting on my websites. So that tool is very good. I do a lot of tutorials with the tool, and then I share a link for people to purchase the tool through my links in my YouTube description. So that's another way how I make this income. Now, what's interesting is because there's a lot of YouTubers and people that have websites or other things online, and they don't monetize in the right way. If you've got a following of some sort, then you really want to look into affiliate marketing. Number one, because it's a very easy technique and method to implement into a traffic source that you can tap into, or that you have existing. And also, there's no legwork in regards to handling customer service, refunds, exchanges, and all that kind of stuff. So it's a very straightforward business model, very easy to understand. And there's been many businesses that have been doing this for a long period of time. Even if you think about when you get car insurance or something like that, all of those websites are comparison sites, but they're affiliate marketing sites, because when you go off and purchase through one of their links on their website, one of their buttons for your car insurance, they're making a commission, and we all know that, but we don't label it with affiliate marketing. So this is affiliate marketing as well. And if you just want to make passive income online, I think it's one of the best ways to get started, because if you backtrack to most of your household gurus history, you'll see that a lot of them started off with building blogs, SEO and websites, because it teaches you how to copywrite, it teaches you how to persuasively write, and it teaches you how to get your feet wet with making some income online passively, you know. So even when I'm sleeping, I'm awake 24 hours around the clock, I'm always making money, and it's a good feeling. But definitely, like, over the course of 2020, you want to make sure you're subscribed, and furthermore, make sure you smash that like button, because the YouTube algorithm is absolutely loving it right now. But yeah, no, if you like this kind of content and you're into that kind of thing, it's a very quick video, but I thought, you know what, I'll just give you a little breakdown of how I made over $6,000 in 2019 with affiliate marketing. Hopefully at the end of 2020, I'll be sharing how I made $100,000, you know. So we'll see if I hit that target. Make sure you're following the channel so you can stay tuned in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.